Are you searching for the best orthopedic hospitals in India? Whether it's a joint replacement, spine surgery, or sports injury treatment, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 orthopedic hospitals in India, known for world-class care and innovation. Starting our list is Max Super Speciality Hospital, with locations across Delhi NCR. Max is renowned for advanced joint replacement, spine surgeries, and trauma care. Their orthopedic department combines cutting-edge technology with highly skilled surgeons. Robotic surgeries and minimally invasive procedures are their specialties. Next, we have Medanta, the Medicity in Gurgaon, a name synonymous with excellence. Led by some of India's most experienced orthopedic surgeons, Medanta offers comprehensive care from arthroscopy to complex spine reconstructions. Their Bone and Joint Institute is internationally accredited and patient-centric. Located in Gurgaon, Artemis Hospital stands out for its patient-first approach and state-of-the-art orthopedic technology. The hospital is well known for hip and knee replacements, sports medicine, and spinal deformity corrections. Artemis blends clinical expertise with innovation. With a legacy of trust, Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals in Delhi has been a leader in orthopedic care for decades. Their Center of Orthopaedics offers advanced robotic joint replacements, trauma care, and spine surgeries, all delivered by internationally trained experts. Last but not least is BLK-Max Super Speciality Hospital, known for its high-end orthopedic unit and advanced rehabilitation programs. Whether it's complex trauma, revision joint replacement, or sports injuries, BLK's multidisciplinary team ensures the best outcomes. These hospitals not only offer world-class orthopedic care, but also set global standards in medical excellence. Looking for treatment or a second opinion? Let us know in the comments or visit the links in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthcare insights.